And these are visuals coming in from the breakfast meeting the Prime Minister has had with 11 CEOs. Navika Kumar, our political editor, will join us. All the business honchos very keenly, the pictures talking to us also, they're very keenly listening to the Prime Minister as he makes his speech, and they also have come prepared with their set of questions and points to make, Navika.
Sachin, live.
Navika, can you hear me?
Yes, Anand, there are visuals now coming in from the breakfast meeting at this moment. These visuals clearly telling you about the 11 CEOs who are in the breakfast meeting with the Prime Minister. Indra Nooyi of PepsiCo, Ashok Banga of MasterCard are people you can see on your screens who are
part of this meeting. Also CEOs from AES Corp and Merck, as well as Google and Citicorp, all present in this particular meeting. And as we've been talking about the fact that more issues will be raised by these people about the problems that they've had with the Indian administration as far as investments are concerned. They'll also be talking about their concerns on the tax side. Retrospective taxes is something that spooked investment in the past, especially the Vodafone case, which is still in courts and needs to be settled urgently. And that is something that's going to be part of the discussion. Also, we've been talking about opening up of the pension and insurance as well as the banking sector markets, which will be possible only if the legislations are pushed through in Lok Sabha. And that is something that could be part of the discussion here at the breakfast meeting. Of course, Prime Minister also looking to push forward India's agenda as far as manufacturing sector is concerned, and he will push the theme of Make in India. Remember, on the 25th of September, just before he left for the US, he did unveil an entire plan for the entire Make in India campaign. And that is something that's going to be a major part of the discussions between the 11 top CEOs and the Prime Minister.
Now, you just were telling us before we hit the break and we bring these visuals to our viewers, Navika, that there has been a lot of effort that's gone in towards structuring this breakfast meet. The CEOs who are there, the list has been compiled after putting in a lot of thought. Just take us through that process once again, and what's the word you're getting? Has it been positive so far? Anybody walking in and out or any flutter in the breakfast meeting, or everything going as per planned?
Well, Anand, I hate to tell you this, but in these kind of meetings, they are rather well planned. No flutters expected here. It's going to be an informal chat. There are no speeches that are going to be made. Prime Minister Modi is going to be, what we are being told, more on the listening side, trying to understand what are the issues that foreign investors have with India, and how he could smoothen these out. Also, what we are being told is that this is going to be a meeting where Prime Minister is likely to actually roll out the red carpet as far as investors are concerned, and give them the assurances that India will go through reforms in the pension and the insurance as well as banking sectors, and that could be something that comes as music to these CEOs. Remember, the combination of the CEOs attending this include manufacturing as well as financial CEOs from the financial sector. So all of these CEOs will be looking at how to increase the scope of doing business with India. Remember, America itself is a $15 trillion market. India, another market of 125 crore people, where the middle classes are a huge market for the Americans. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be trying to push the fact that the huge market in India is something that the Americans should look at.